So in this session we're going to cover the creation of invoices using the AP Invoice Wizard based on bulk data that the supplier may have sent to you in a separate file or indeed in a spreadsheet file similar to this. The prerequisite is to ensure that we have the columns aligned with the columns in the processing spreadsheet. So we can see here the site number, invoice number, supplier name, etc. So we just tailor that sheet to match that of the sheet that the supplier sends in. Once we have that done, then essentially it's just a matter of selecting the data and copying the data and pasting the values into the processing spreadsheet. Once we've done that, we're then able to do the upload process. As you can see there, it's progressing through. It's a relatively quick process, and we now have 38 invoices loaded along with the distributions. So at this point, you will note extensive use of the row 10, the default row. So you can see the columns were blank prior to processing, but it's now entered the value of Vision Services as the operating unit. The account detail is there, along with the information around the attachments, which in this case is a text message to payables. So extensive use of row 10, the default row. So once we get to this point, we can then submit the payables import, and we can track the progress of the import using the concurrent requests form. As you can see here, in a pending state. This takes a little minute or two for that to process, and then at the end of this we'll load the attachments. So once complete, as I said, we'll then refresh the sheet. This will give us the opportunity to load the attachments. Also the holds and releases, but we don't have any of those on the sheet at this point. So we'll just do the attachments of this. Once complete, we have now created 38 invoices within Oracle, and we have the attachments loaded against them.